Hey there, welcome to another video. Today we're diving into a common problem faced by students delving into functional programming. The problem arose when a student in a systems engineering class was tasked with coding a recursive minimum function in Lisp. They ran into a bit of a snag with the base case of the function. The professor pointed out that stating null was incorrect because, as they put it, an empty list is not in the domain of the function. But hold on, isn't the base case essential for recursion? Let's unravel this problem together and see if the empty list should indeed be part of the function's domain. Now, let's explore the solution provided to this interesting problem. The key insight here is that the mathematical definition of minimum leaves the empty list out of its domain. Just like you can't divide by 0, you can't find a minimum value in an empty list. The domain of a function refers to the set of values for which the function is defined. So, when it comes to the minimum function, it encompasses all sequences of values except for the empty list. It's all about those mathematical nuances. In summary, the empty list does not belong in the domain of a minimum function due to the fundamental definition of finding the smallest value in a sequence. So, next time you're coding a recursive function, remember to consider the mathematical implications of your base case. Thanks for tuning in today. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like this video, and drop a comment with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding!